Simple interest example. Find the simple interest for rupees 8,000 at 2% per month for 2 years. Here solution, simple interest equal to PTR by 100 is the formula. P is principal amount, that is 8,000. Time is given 2 years, but interest is 2% per month is there. Therefore 2 year convert into months. 2 years equal to 24 month, and rate of interest is 2%. Therefore interest equal to P is 8,000 into T 24 month into R is 2% divided by 100. 20 gets cancelled. This equal to 80 into 24 into 2. 24 2s are 48. Therefore 80 into 48. Multiply this. 8 8s are 64. Carry 6. 8 4s are 32. 32 plus 6 is 38. And this 0 put here is interest amount.